So today we are going to study ID selector. So I'm creating my file in my CSS folder. This is my file. So we have already studied about class selector, universal selector, element selector. Fourth type of selector is ID selector. So ID selector always starts with a hash symbol. Class selector can be assigned to different elements, but ID selector can only be assigned to a single element. We cannot assign same ID selector to multiple elements. For example, like here I'm creating one paragraph. One more paragraph I'm creating. Now here in head section, I'm writing style. It has both opening and closing. And here I'm giving hash and color. This is my ID selector. Now here I'm giving color of my text. I want it to be red, and background color I want it to be aqua. Save it. Now I can assign it to my first paragraph. I can assign it to any paragraph, but only one paragraph. I cannot assign the same ID selector to both of these paragraphs. Any one paragraph I can assign. PID equals to, within double quotes, I have to give color. Save it and then click on go live. That formatting is applied on my first paragraph. I cannot assign same ID selector to second paragraph. I can create multiple ID selector, but these selector will be applied to one element at a time. Second is I'm creating is text. Here I'm giving font size colon, I'm giving here medium, and text align, I'm giving center. Now I can assign this text ID selector to my second paragraph. I cannot use color for this. It will be assigned only to one element. PID equals to, within double quotes, text. Save it and then click on go live. So we can see that that type of formatting is applied on this. And we'll try to increase font size here. I'm giving here 20 pixel. We can see that its font size has increased. So class selector can be assigned to multiple elements, but ID selector cannot be assigned to multiple elements. It can be assigned only to a single element. But we can have multiple ID selectors in our program.